Hello and welcome to the February Magical Monthly Mystery Subscription Reveal. So this month is birthday themed, and I'm going to go ahead and flip all this over and let you take a look at what I came up with. But birthday wise, the month of March is my birthday and it's our little Reina's first birthday. So I wanted to do obviously a birthday themed kit, but as always, you can use these kits pretty much any time of year you want. It doesn't have to be for March. It can be for any time that you have for birthday, but it's super, super cute. So this is your dashboard, and on the dashboard it gives you all the cast of characters here. So you've got Alice, there's Aurora, Cinderella, Snow White, Jasmine, and Esmeralda, and these are all the babes that came to the birthday party. And this, we've got this beautiful like woods scene, very Alice in Wonderland-ish, with all of the banners on the top. You get a good idea of the color theme. It's really, really bright, vibrant. Love, love, love this. I picked every little aspect of this kit is me. I love this so much. I'm very excited to use it. As a matter of fact, at the end of this video, I'm going to try and use the monthly in my Happy Planner because I've never used, I designed it for the Erin Condren and I think they're probably pretty similar, but we're going to give it a try. So if you want to stick around for that, you are more than welcome to. That will happen at the end of the reveal. So here, I'm just going to go through all of the full boxes. So here it is. Look at how bright this is. The colors are just gorgeous. I love every little bit of this kit. So we've got this gorgeous chair here, and you've got the presents. Look at the singing flowers, more presents. You've got them all at the party table with the cake and Alice and Jasmine. And look at Jasmine has Raj. This is so super cute. Look at this cake. I love the cake. It's absolutely perfect. And the balloons. And then you've got your other side of the table. And then you've got Snow White and Esmeralda bringing presents to the party. And these are two double box scenes. And then you've got your regular scenes here. Then on your page 2, you have your, look at that washi. Is that just not gorgeous washi? And then you've got date covers here, and you've got your washi strip, some flags, and another full box of all of the birthday babes. Then on this page here, this time I gave you 2 sets of date covers because, days of the week covers, I should say, because there's so many boxes in here that I know you guys can use this for more than 1 week if you wanted to. Even no weight space planners are going to have a lot left over. So if you want to spread it out to 2 weeks, or you want to use it like in a daily journal or something like that, you've got 2 sets of date covers here, more boxes, more strips of washies, all kinds of goodies in here. You're going to find a ton of stuff. Then this one, you've got your, these are your dividers. Here's your trackers, more boxes to do today's importance. Don't forget all that. Some little check boxes, movie marquee, and more little doodle boxes. Then this page is like your functionals with all of your pattern paper behind it with all of the different sizes. And down here are some dividers at the bottom. Then this one is more functional, but in the colorway. Lots of different sizes. Then you've got your monthly. So in the monthly section, you've got 2 sets here. So this is the full box set. So this would go over the side that doesn't have your sidebar, because this is the full one. We're going to use it in a second so that you'll be able to see. And then you've got some glitter headers here, which you can use to help on the top or the bottom, depending on what planner you have. This is actually made to fit like the TPC Nation, A&N, that planner, but you should be able to adjust this to any planner with like a standard size monthly. So you've got your page 1 here. This one would be for the side that has your sidebar, because these 2 boxes right here are removable. So if your sidebar is on one side, you would remove this box. If your sidebar is on this side, you would remove this box, and it would go on whichever side your sidebar is on, but you'll see. Then you've got some half boxes here, some paydays and some bill due flags. And then your sidebar and a full box here, some more smaller boxes, and a couple of little scripts for you to use. I can't think today. It's too early in the morning for this girl. Here we have our months. So like I said, you can use this for any month you want. It does not have to be for March. And then you've got your days of the week covers, your bills, some more flags, and some more scripts, and your numbers. So that is the main part of the planner. Then we have all the little extra pieces and parts that go with it. So you've got this big tall box, double box here. And I didn't cut it down the side this time because I would have cut Alice in half, and I really love the way this looks all together. So it's a big double box. You can use this on a bullet journal. You can use this on a dashboard. You can put this pretty much anywhere that you would be able to fit a big double box. Tall box size. So there's that one. Then you've got your glitter headers in the same colorway as the kit. This time we changed this up thanks to one of my PR girls, Kara. She said, we don't need all of these icons on the side. Can we have some without? So you've got one side that have the icons for like bills and shopping and what you're watching and any phone call you need to make and what you're eating. And then this side is blank. So you put whatever you want in that one. Then you've got your doodle boxes. And this is your tracker boxes with some of the paint swatches. And then you've got two sets of these. So you've got plenty of numbers to go around depending on what you want to use it for. Days of the week, tons and tons of those. And then you've got more scripts on this one. So there's all that. And then this month you're getting these little guys here, which are adorable, but I couldn't not. I just could not do it. So these are all stickers. So you can use them in your bullet journaling or as like little extra boxes, whatever you want to do with them. But you have the little singing flowers, the presents. Look at the balloons, like the detail on the balloons. So, and then obviously the cake. So that is that part. Then we'll get into the foil. So this month's foil is a silver glitter hollow, I guess. That's the best way to put it. So I'll try to make it so that you can see the glitter. But I know my lights aren't the best, and the colors. See, there's that rainbow behind it. It is a glitter, not a chunky, more of a fine glitter. So you've got all your full box covers here. This one says happy birthday all along the background, and then you've got your normal just like frame type happy birthday here. These are smaller covers, so you can use those ones with the smaller boxes, but you've got, how stinking cute that is with all the Alice in Wonderland stuff in it. Birthday squad, this one. Happy very merry unbirthday to me. And then your dividers here with your Mickey heads. Your page 2 is all of your washies. So these are your big washi covers. These are your smaller washi. So you have this to choose from or happy birthday to choose from. So if you use this for more than one spread, you have a couple of options here. This is one of your underlay boxes. Here's a bunch of deco, which is all cut out individual decos that you can use. And then you've got, your smaller size. So that's this one. Then you have your other 8 more of the overlays that you can use with the Mickey heads and the hearts. And then your underlays, you've got 17 underlay boxes between all of the pages. So there's 8 on each of these and 1 on the washi page. And then you've got your functional page with your weekends and your scripts and your your icons and more numbers. You got numbers. You got numbers forever. Numbers forever. So that is everything that comes in this month's magical monthly mystery. It's called It's My Party. A couple of little notes as we're putting together the monthly page. Let me get all the goodies out for that and put the rest of that away, because I'm going to for sure use this for the week of my birthday and Raina's birthday. So my birthday is on the 7th and hers is on the 10th. I'll have to look and see if they run together. Put the foil over there. So this is the Happy Planner, the monthly spread of the Happy Planner. So we are going to try to put this down. So this one has the sidebar on this side. So we would be using this one, and this box will be removed because it theoretically should fit right there. So we're going to start putting this down. And while I'm laying it down, I will tell you some things that are changing with the monthly mystery. So what I decided to do this time was, so now that I have the subscription portal up, and it's hopefully pretty easy for you guys to get in there and sign up for the mystery and do all the things. But what I really need to do is, first of all, think for a second before I start yammering about where this is going to fit. I just wanted to make sure that this is going to actually fit, because like I said, I have not tried it. So we're going to do that. So this box right here would go here, right along this. I'm just probably going to be a hot mess because I don't know what I'm doing just yet. And then this one here. So anyway, since I opened up the portal for the monthly subscriptions, everybody has been so awesome about signing up, but and because it's so easy for you to sign up and cancel, a lot of people will sign up for the 1 month and then cancel and then come back, back and forth, whatever. And that is totally fine. I am not knocking that one little bit. But what it does do to me is it messes me up when it comes to figuring out inventory. So what I'm going to start doing, I think, is for the people who stay subscribed and don't like jump on and off the bandwagon, I'm going to start doing special things every 3 months. There'll be something extra for you in your kits. So if you stay signed up, you're going to do me a favor, because then inventory wise, I'm not stressing out trying to figure out how much to buy, how much to make. And for you, it gives you an extra little added perk. I don't know what the extras are going to be yet. It could be a roll of washi. It could be a notepad. It could be anything. I don't know yet. Haven't gotten all the details made because I just started it in January. So if you were subscribed January, February, and March, on April, the month of April, you would get extras in your kit. So you see here, now you have that extra box right here. Now, if this was on this side, then you would have taken out this box and this one would have been here. You can also, if you're not going to do the sidebar, you can put this back. So you can have the entire thing over, and then you could do a smaller sidebar, like if you're going to do boxes instead of this, which that might actually... Nah, it might work though. So this is long. This fits the Erin Condren style one. If I put it all the way at the bottom, like dang near all the way at the bottom, we might be able to put Alice's legs back on. if we're really like creative with this, we might be able to put Alice's legs back on. I think we can. So like I said, this is the first time I've ever played with the Happy Planner. I hauled this planner, but you haven't seen the haul yet. So you'll see the planner, the whole planner, and why I bought it and what I was trying to do with it in the haul video. I'm trying to line it up and not like, but it's not lining up with the bottom. So that's just going to drive me insane. That's going to drive me crazy, but I'm going to do it anyway. See how it's like further on this side? But if I had moved this over exactly on the line, it would have worked. I don't know if I can. We'll see. I don't think I can because now that I just laid this, I should have waited. Nah, I can't get it back up. But you get the idea. If you have a Happy Planner and you put this right along the line, you could totally do that and then keep it on there. So anyway, that's about inventory. So that's that. And then the other thing is that I'm not going to be putting... the response was great as far as like signups are concerned. So I'm probably going to start cutting off the signups instead of just leaving it open. I'm going to start cutting them off. Probably, I might leave them up through February, but then I'll probably start cutting them off. Oh my God, like a glove. That is so awesome. So awesome. Oh man, my nail. What the heck? Hold on one second. I gotta fix that. We've been moving furniture like crazy, and so having my Dashing Divas has been a problem. So they are so getting beat up. It's ridiculous. Like I can't, and I want to keep them on because they look so nice, and I've been trying to get some videos done, so I've been trying not to have icky nails, but it's really hard when you're moving furniture to not mess up your nails like that. Anyway, so it fits perfect. I love the way this looks. Yeah, I love this. Anyway, we're going to keep going. So this is going to be for the month of March. So if I want to, I can put it up here. I don't think I want to, but what I do want to do is put down my days of the week. Let me get my little tweezers. So days of the week. How have I been? I usually do a Sunday start just because I like having it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way on. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm probably going to do something else here. So we're going to do Sunday start right here. Because this like little section right here is making me absolutely crazy. It's the OCD in me coming out. So I'm put down all of my weeks. I'm not going to make you sit through the date dots themselves because that would take forever. But this is a nice little experiment to see how well this fits in the Happy Planner. So if you're a Happy Planner person, yes, it is truly universal. This was my making sure it's truly a universal kit, monthly kit for all the different types of planners. Unfortunately, it's obviously not for like smaller planners. So if you have a B6 or whatever, it's not going to fit in there. You might be able to alter it a little bit to make it fit, but I don't know. Then you're going to probably lose quite a bit of artwork. But this is the monthly setup for all of my monthly kits now. So if you see any of the monthly kits on the website, this is what it is. So you know that they will also fit in your Happy Planner. Anyway, so if I wanted to, I could put the glitter there to cover that, or yeah. We'll see. Anyway, it's really going to drive me insane, guys. Insane. So they also have a this month that I was going to put here. So I think what I'm going to do is put a box there and then put the this month inside the box. So we're going to just kind of put this in the middle of this, sort of in the middle, and then put the this month on there. There. So if you weren't going to use this sidebar, you could just put some of the big boxes. Yeah, because you have an entire kit's worth of boxes over here. So you could put couple of the big boxes. You could put your tracker over here. You could do all that kind of stuff. Then you've got all of your days of your week. You've got a ton of these and extra boxes that will fit in here. And let me just check one more thing. Random box in a space, but yep, the boxes fit perfectly inside of the squares. So this happy planner is totally a go. So that is it. I just wanted to see how it fits. It looks fantastic. This is going to be March. So let me double check something really fast. So I'm just curious what day of the week March 1st falls on. So I'm just going to pop on my phone and check it out real fast, because March 1st starts on a Tuesday, starts here. So for Sunday, Monday, like right here, I could put the month in there. And that way I don't have to cover up any of my adorable artwork, because that would make me sad. So we can put March right here. There. So now you know what month you're in. And there it is. So thanks guys so much for hanging out with me and checking out this kit. I hope you guys love it. It will be up on the website ready to go for sale on February 1st. And I will leave it up for the month of February, but then I will probably take it starting in March. I'm probably going to limit the days that it's available to subscribe, because the subscriptions, I don't want it to get out of control to where I'm not good with time, so I'm going to keep them limited to what I can handle. If I have extras, because I always make them ahead of time, if I have extras left over, I might post them on that same website as a one-off at the end of the month. So keep an eye out for that. If you missed subscription or you're just waiting for a one-off, these will no longer be in the Etsy shop. This is strictly going to be on my Shopify shop. So that's the www.scrappyfox.com. That's where you will find these kits. Will be there. The one-offs will also be there, like I said, at the end of the month. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all the news that I have for you. There will be a new release video coming out in the next couple of days for the rest of the new releases that are for the TPC sale. But for now, this is just the monthly subscription. And like I said, it'll be available on February 1st. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.